Assalamu alaikum girls. We have started exercise 5.3. Today we will start question number 8 of it, that is 2xy square plus 8xy minus 24x. So let's start this question. First of all, after the heading of solution you will repeat your question, that is 2xy square plus 8xy minus 24x. The next step is you have to take common. What is common here? 2, 8 and 24. In these three coefficients, 2 is a common factor because 2, 8 and 24, these three terms are divisible by 2. So 2 is the common factor. Again, okay, to check the variables xy and nothing is here. So not any variable is common. Let's check our question. The question number 8 was 2xy square plus 8xy minus 24x. Okay, x is missed here. So now the variable x is also common. So you will take x as a common factor. Okay, now the 2x is the common factor. What will you write inside the bracket? That is y square, because 2x into y square gives you 2xy square plus 2 4s are 8 and then y minus 2 12s are 24. Okay, in the next step 2x will be written as it is. The rule of product and sum is that you have to shift the first term and the last term as it is, and then the sign is plus and the variable y. Also you will put the brackets over here. So now the next step is you have to multiply the coefficient of the first and last term. The first term's coefficient is 1, so you will multiply 1 with 12. 1 12s are 12. Now find the factors of 12. The factors of 12 are 2 6 are 12 and also 1 12s are 12. These four are the factors of 12. Now what are you needing? You needing 4. So you will add these two factors. 2 plus 6 is 8 and 1 plus 12 is 13. 8 and 13, but I need 4. So what will I do? I will subtract these two terms. So 6 minus 2 gives us 4. These terms give me 4. So I will select 6 and 2. Now you will write 6 and 2 here, but the greater number will be written at first. 6 and 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay. In the next step, 2x into y square plus plus plus. 6 ones are 6y. Then plus minus minus 2 ones are 2y. Then minus 12. Okay. The question is almost completed. What is the next step? You have to make groups of these four terms. The first group is this and the next group is this one. So 2x into what is common in the first group? In the first group variable y is common. Okay. So you will write y plus 6. Why? Because y into y is y square and y into 6 is 6y. Then minus sign is common and also 2 is common. So you will take 2 as a common factor. So now you will write y plus 6. Why I have written y plus 6? Because minus plus minus and 2 ones are 2y. And then minus plus minus 2 6 are 12. Okay. Again there is common factor is y plus 6. So you will write y plus 6 at first and y minus 2 in the next term. So the factorization is completed. Now I will start the next question, which is question number 9 of this exercise. So the question number 9 is 2 plus 5t minus 12t square. This is your question number 9. Again, after solution, you will repeat your question, which is 2 plus 5t minus 12t square. Now the first step was you have to shift the first term and the last term as it is. The next step was you have to multiply the coefficients of the first term and the last term. So you will multiply 2 with 12. 2 12s are 24. Okay. So now 2 12s are 24. You will find the factors of 24. The factors of 24 are 2 12s are 24. 4 6 are 24. and 8 threes are 24, 3 eights are 24, 3 eights are 24, and also 24 ones are 24. So these all are the factors of 24. Now what are you needing? You are needing 5. So you will add these two factors. You will get 12 plus 2 is 14, not 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. 3 plus 8 is 11, and 24 plus 1 is 5. Okay, by adding these all these factors we cannot get 5. So now you will subtract these two terms. 12 minus 2 is 10. 6 minus 4 is 2, and 8 minus 3 is 5. So you are getting 5 by subtracting 8 and 3. So you will select 8 and 3. So then you will shift this sign and this variable. Okay, and in the bracket you have to write these two factors which are selected here, 3 and 8, but at first you will write 8 and then you will write 3. So you will put the sign of negative. 8 minus 3. Now 2 plus 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 and 8 ones are 8t, plus minus minus and 3 ones are 3t, and then minus 12t square as it is. In the next step you will make two groups. The first group is this and the next group is this one. In the first group, what is common? 2 is common, so you will take 2 as a common factor. Okay, 2 ones are 2, so you will write 1 here because 2 ones are 2, and plus 2 fours are 8, so this is 40. Now in the next step, minus sign is common and the variable t is common, and also 3 is common because 3 and 12 both appear in the table of 3. So you will write 3t as a common factor. As you have written 3t as a common factor, so you will write 1 over here because minus plus minus and 3 ones are 3t. You will get 3t. And next, minus plus minus and 3 fours are 12. Okay, and also t into t gives you t square. So 1 plus 40 and 1 plus 40 are same, means your question is correct. Now what will you do? You will write this common factor 1 plus 40 at first, and in the next bracket you will write 2 minus 3t. Okay, so your question is completed. This is your required factorization. You can also check by multiplying this term with this, you will get your question again. Okay, so you can recheck, you can verify your question by multiplying 1 plus 4t with 2 minus 3t. So this is your practice. You can multiply 1 plus 4t with 2 minus 3t. How will you multiply? Let me explain it here. 1 plus 4t into 2 minus 3t. Now you will multiply it with, so you will write 1 into 2 minus 3t and then plus 4t into 2 minus 3t. Okay, now 1 2s are 2, and next 1 3s are 3t, 4 2s are 8, 8t, plus minus minus 4 3s are 12t square. These two are like terms, so in the next step you will write 2 as it is because there is nothing like with 2. So minus plus minus, the first term has negative sign and the second term has positive sign. So in this situation you will subtract 3 from 8. So 8 minus 3 gives you 5t, and sign of greater term is plus. Okay, and then minus 12t square. So you got 2 plus 5t minus 12t square. So let's check it. Your question was also 2 plus 5t minus 12t square. So in your exam, as you have factorized your question, you can also check that your question was correct or not by multiplying your answer with each other. Thank you.